Hey guys, I didn't know I was going to be out today, so I'm recording this on Sunday so that y'all can have something to do on Monday. Alright, so when you come into class, if you will go to the assignment that's EOC Review, Atoms and Bonds, there's going to be a handout of a practice EOC test, and it's basically the questions that are going to be on the test. It's the same level of difficulty, so we need to start kind of working up towards those. So after you take that, write it onto your notebook paper and turn it in. And make sure your name is on it. After you're finished with that, you're going to watch video for instructions. I should change that. Then you're going to go into this assignment and you have a study guide to do. I've put all this under a tab of EOC Review so you can find it and keep studying if you miss some of the questions. And I'm fixing to go over exactly what to click on so that there's no confusion. Okay. Alright, so when you click on the assignment, it's going to take you here. And the first thing, we're going to go all the way back to the first 9 weeks and do the types of atoms. So the first thing is, using the periodic table, fill in the information about a carbon atom. So right here, I'm looking for you to look at this periodic table and find carbon. And then if you look down right here, this tells you the atomic number, the atomic mass, and from that you should be able to determine how many protons, neutrons, and electrons that carbon has. So we'll go back to the worksheet. And you just go down through here and answer the questions. And all you have to do is hit enter and type your answer. Alright. When you scroll down, after you've looked up all that information that's pretty basic information, we're going to go back to the test question to see if you can use what we've learned before to answer a little bit harder question. So you're going to have to take, I can't exactly teach you every single question that they're going to ask you on the EOC. So instead, we're just learning all that basic information, and hopefully you can apply what you know on the test. So this first one asks you, a scientist is measuring the mass of 2 boron atoms. One atom has a mass of 10 units. The other atom has a mass of 11 units. Which subatomic particle needs to be removed from the model so that you can keep a boron atom but change the mass? So you have to know back from the other questions, okay, what happens if I gain or lose a proton? Do electrons weigh anything? And then what other subatomic particle weighs something that I can change? Alright. And then put your answer here. And then explain how you knew that there. How did you know it was this one? Same thing for periodic trends, not twins. Anything that is highlighted and underlined in blue is an app or a link to an app that will help you answer that question in case you don't remember. Same thing again with the test question right here. Alright, if you have any questions about what to do, please don't sit there and do nothing. Okay? If you need a pencil to take the practice EOC, if you go to my lab counter, and the first big long drawer, okay, is where I keep the pencil, so you can get a pencil out of there. Paper's behind my real desk. And then if you need anything else, please get up and ask. Okay, we can figure it out. Please don't sit there and do nothing. Okay? It's getting really close to time for the EOC. We just have about 12 school days. So we need to really work hard, okay? I expect the EOC to be done, the practice test, and this to be done when I get back. Okay, completely done with good answers. Also, don't just Google the answers and then copy and paste from Google into the worksheet. Okay. I'm pretty good at reading the first thing that pops up on Google too. Okay? Alrighty, well, happy Monday. Hope y'all have a good day, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.